Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lena Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and it is time for another paper perk. We are already at paper perk number 85. I know I got the numbers here wrong, but trust me, it is 85. Last week we did the cover of the journal, and today I'm giving you the pages. So you have two pages this time, some green one and some more of an olive one. And these are going to be the pages for our journal. So today we're going to add pages to our journal, and they're going to be pocket pages. And I'm going to show you how to make them. So you have the pages, cut them out, and then all we need to do, I didn't print anything on the other side. Of course you can if you want to. What you need to do is simply fold them in half, and then we'll have the pages. Now what we can do in terms of binding, there are plenty of ways to bind them. And first of all, we can of course do a pamphlet stitch in the center. Let's just really quickly ink everything. I always ink to hide the white. And you already know it, like how it looks, and since we inked the outside, everything will match. So I thought it would be really fun to make one bigger project with paper perks instead of a new mini project every week. I would really love to hear in the comments, just leave me a little comment if you like this concept, and then we can make more of it. I can make more little projects like that throughout the month. Okay, so we can put them all in a signature like this, one signature, and then we can stitch it in the center here, or we can use a staple, big stapler, which is what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is reverse the direction. So I'm going to have two pairs like this, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to make. So what I want to do is create pockets. Since I didn't put anything on the other side, I thought it would be really fun to create pockets. So let's first use the stapler to attach them to the cover, and then I'll show you how to make the pockets. Okay, so I have this monstrosity, huge, I love this. This just has, it can go 12 inches at least, maybe 11, inside, and then staple it. So this is really convenient, but if you don't have that, you can use a regular staple. Just open it, put something really soft on the bottom, and then when you staple it on something soft, the little legs that come out with the staple pin are going to fold on the other side because of the soft surface that you put underneath it. But I'm just going to use this here. So what we need to do is align the papers. Want to come from this side, and then see how it goes to the inside like that. It's really good. And then staple it and then it looks really pretty on the inside, on the outside, and on the inside we'll cover it with something, and it's not really very visible, right? Just like to make sure everything here is completely leveled. Okay, so now the pockets. Basically what we have are we have 8 pages, right? But we have them arranged in sets of 2 facing each other. So each set like this, let's bring this. You don't have to do it with a circle, but it kind of helps. And then we can just, sorry about that noise. So pocket number 1, and you can decide if you want them to be side pockets or top pockets. I'm going to apply glue. It's going to be a side pocket. So on the top and the bottom, and then just attach them together. And of course, we're all human, so sometimes we have this, so we can either clean it up by cutting it, or like this, just cut the excess, or we can do this, and this will hide it completely. So I'm just cleaning the edges with my scissors. And then now I have a perfect pocket page. The next one, I'm going to have it a top pocket. So I'm going to have this punched on the top, and exactly the same way, but this time we're going to attach it on the outer edge, the right and the bottom. And again, attach them together, clean up. And of course, if you print something on the other side, or you want to leave the page white and have 8 pages, that is fine, because basically what will happen is I'll have only 4 pages because I'm joining each 2 pages together. So on this, I'm going to have the circle on this side. So it's completely up to you. You can play with the pages any way that you want. And of course you can add more pages. You don't only have to use what I've given you. If you have other papers, if you have old book pages, whatever you want, then of course you can have more pages in this journal. The binding allows more pages. And then finally, another top pocket. And then we'll have all the pages ready, and we'll have pocket pages. We saved on the ink in the printer because we didn't have to print anything on the other side. And we created a lot more room for all kinds of fun inserts, right? So, there you go. Now, I have made a mistake, so everything here, it will be upside down. But I will fix that. How am I going to fix that? This is the wonders of liquid glue. See, it's not dry yet. So what I'm going to do is, you see how, actually it's a good thing that it happened, because you can learn what to do when mistakes happen. And to really check. Now, we're going to cover this. You can just cover it with any paper that you have. You can make another pocket here. Nobody will know. And let's do the exact same thing here. Open it up. And we're going to do the exact same thing. So this is what happens when you do not check properly. But I'm glad it happened so you can see how I fix it. Okay, so now we're going to cover this next time when we create the inner pages. But now we have pages, 4 pages inside our journal, and we're going to continue next week. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.